Imagine holding on to a digital asset for over a decade, watching its value skyrocket from mere cents to billions and then suddenly deciding to stake it. That's exactly what a legendary Ethereum ICO whale did recently, sending shockwaves through the crypto community. This investor, who originally purchased 1 million ETH in 2014 for just $310,000, equivalent to 31 cents per ETH, has now moved 150,000 ETH, worth a staggering $646 million, into a staking address after years of radio silence. The move, flagged by on-chain analysts, marks one of the largest staking deposits in recent memory, and raises intriguing questions about market sentiment. But here's where it gets controversial. While some see this as a bullish signal of long-term confidence, others argue it could hint at a looming sell-off if yields drop. Let's break it down. Back in 2014, this investor secured their ETH during Ethereum's early ICO at a fraction of its current value. Fast forward to 2025, and that initial stash is now worth an eye-popping $4.3 billion. Despite this week's activity, two of their wallets still hold 105,000 ETH, valued at $451 million, untouched since February 2022. The sudden reactivation of these accounts has traders buzzing, especially since similar movements from other ICO-era whales have occurred recently. For example, last month alone, one whale sent $19 million in ETH to Kraken, while another transferred 2,300 ETH to exchanges. These transactions, though, are typically interpreted as dormant supply entering circulation rather than direct sales. Ethereum's staking ecosystem has grown exponentially this year, surpassing 33 million ETH locked up as older investors capitalize on stable yields and the maturing proof-of-stake model. This whale's move aligns with a broader trend of early adopters rejoining the network's economic layer. But here's the part most people miss. Staking doesn't guarantee the funds will stay in the system forever. If market conditions shift, these whales could just as easily unstake and sell, potentially flooding the market. So what does this mean for Ethereum's price? Is this a sign of institutional confidence or a warning shot? The crypto world is divided. Some analysts argue that large staking deposits signal long-term commitment, while skeptics point out that whales have historically manipulated markets during similar phases. And this is the part most people miss. The true impact of these movements depends on whether they're driven by conviction or opportunism. We'd love to hear your take. Do you think this whale's move is bullish for Ethereum, or does it raise red flags about future volatility? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In the meantime, keep an eye on the broader market, because in crypto, every whale's next move could tip the scales.